This is video from EarthCam, and you can see there off in the distance. Take a look. You see that flash in the distance right there? We'll go in a little tighter on it. You can see to the left there's a plane that looks like coming in. There's a brighter light. And right there, you'll see that horrific fireball. And then, as Steve talked about, you can see whatever is left afterwards falling down pretty quickly. I want to bring Aaron Katersky in. He's sitting here with me watching that, Aaron. It's so difficult to watch because we're already being told there are water rescues being made. Everybody's hoping beyond hope that they're pulling people who are survivors of this crash out of the Potomac. But we do know that there are going to be casualties here.
Undoubtedly, Phil, and probably several that we're hearing already confirmed, but we don't have firm numbers yet because those teams are working furiously to find any survivors they can. Both of the aircraft, the commercial jet operating under the American Airlines banner coming in from Wichita with about 60 people aboard, and the military Black Hawk helicopter from the United States Army. Both of those, what's left of them anyway, ended up in the Potomac. It had just started to thaw after being iced over for weeks, so the conditions are suboptimal.
Yeah, it's similar to the Hudson here that had been thawed, that had been iced over, and now it's thawed. And it reminds me of the scene we see here in New York a lot, with so many helicopters flying near the flight path.
And when there was a collision over the Hudson River of a tourist helicopter and another commercial aviation, they put a stop to that. Now, this is different. This is a military helicopter and one of the busiest airports in the country. And Steve Ganyard can speak to that better than I can. But the one question will be why there was not a deconfliction here. But that's going to wait because the urgent priority right now for teams that are in the water, and you can see how many emergency vehicles are massed on the edge of the Potomac, is to try to find any survivors.